in this video, I'm going to teach you guys substitution, but in context for a prereq skill you're going to need for composition functions. All right, let's look at this first example. It says y equals 3h plus 2 and h equals x minus 2 divided by 3. Okay, let's go back to that y function. It says y equals 3h plus 2. So as you can see, I have the letter h right here, and it's telling me that h equals all that. So I'm going to rewrite this first equation, but everywhere I see h, I'm going to put parentheses. When I do that, it's going to look like this. So again, I replace the h with parentheses. Now, why did I do that? Over here, it says h equals all of this. So I'm going to plug all of that in place of where h was in the first function. So when I do that, I'm basically plugging in x minus 2 divided by 3 in the parentheses. Now, let me actually simplify it out. So if you notice, I have 3 times all that stuff in parentheses. Technically, it's a 3 over 1. So I can cross simplify. The 3's will cancel out. And then I can bring down my x minus 2. I don't need my parentheses anymore. And then I'll bring down my plus sign and my 2. Now I can combine like terms. Well, negative 2 plus 2 equals 0, right? They cancel each other out. So my answer will just equal x. Let's look at another example. Y equals h squared plus 5. And h equals square root of x minus 5. So we see that h repeating here and here. I'm going to rewrite this function with everywhere I see an h, I'm going to put parentheses. So it's going to look like this. Now, since I see that h equals square root of x minus 5, I'm going to plug in all of this in place of the h. So when I do that, it's going to look like this. All right, now I can simplify it. Well, we already know that anytime you have the square root of something raised to the power of 2, they cancel each other out. So then I'll just bring down my x minus 5 and my plus sign and my 5, combine these like terms, and they're going to cancel out. So then my answer is just going to be x. And that's it.